Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 20th, and this is my recap of the top of videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the pound dollar did make a really nice move to the downside today. We had pound CPI, which was initially positive for the pound, but then when it rejected structure, made an engulfing move to the downside. It was a very nice little sorting opportunity that I took today. I ended up getting out of the trade a little while ago because it's just really, there's a very obvious trend line right here, and the market's been a little bit rangy, but to be honest with you, I kind of think that it's more likely, maybe after bouncing around a little bit, that it might go down and at least make a double bottom, because to me it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially a wave 5. So if this really is a wave 5, it could, after it goes down and makes a double bottom, reverse to the top side, break structure, proving that this last section of downtrend is over. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on it for sure. We may be getting closer to a trend reversal. I honestly wouldn't count on it because the dollar index looks like it needs to go up a lot more, which may cause this to go down a lot more, which is why I'm only looking for shorts, at least until we get some sort of a break of structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.